It takes a lot of data for a credit bureau to assign your credit score, to help companies know if they can trust you with things like mortgages, lines of credit, leases, or even utilities. Now imagine what it takes to manage the commercial data necessary to assign credit scores to tens of millions of businesses in the U.S. That's what Experian Business Information Services, or BIS, does. They're a leader in providing commercial data and predictive insights to organizations of all sizes. And as you may have imagined, it's no small task. Ben Bargoyle, the Senior Director of Data Enrichment and Analytics at BIS, explained how commercial data is similar to individual consumer data.
Businesses have commercial property they're acquiring, and they lease commercial vehicles and have commercial lines of credit and commercial cards. So it's very similar, right? The same way our consumer data helps us as individuals, commercial data helps businesses with those same type of transactions.
Every day, these businesses are making millions of transactions. And all these transactions come with lots of data. Data that can tell a story about a company's identity, history, financial health, and future growth. To be useful, that data has to be high quality, and the process has to be fast.
Commercial data comes in a very wide variety of formats, types, quality, and schedules. So you must have very robust data maintenance processes within your data team if you're going to participate in that commercial data marketplace.
Experian turned to Cloudera to enhance their ability to deal with this massive amount of data.
Experian is regularly recognized as one of the world's most innovative companies. And when I started this journey, I looked at it as a continuation of that tradition.
Experian used Cloudera solutions to bring advanced analytics and machine learning into the data maintenance process.
Advanced analytics and machine learning, they have a place in the back office with our operations teams, as well as in the front office with our product or client-facing teams. We created an environment specifically built for commercial data enrichment. And at the core of this environment, we launched CDSW, our Cloudera Data Science Workbench. And we launched that within Experian's big data environment. So CDSW has an outstanding feature set that was perfectly positioned for the type of machine learning applications that the team was looking to create and productionalize within our self-service model. And that was really important to us. We've created a whole suite of solutions, each one targeting a specific data opportunity. And these machine learning applications monitor, analyze, and resolve these opportunities on an ongoing daily basis.
This improved approach helped Experian gain greater efficiency in bringing commercial data to market.
Mostly it's a question of scale and speed, right? While many of these opportunities were addressed in our legacy environment, the pace at which they were addressed was at the speed of human intervention, which is typically quite slow, and again, limited amount of volume you can mitigate through human intervention. So now with the new environment, we're addressing these same opportunities at the speed of machine learning.
Ben and his team even calculated how long it would take for humans to accomplish some of the same tasks, and the results were pretty staggering.
So this means we accomplish in hours what would take months or years to complete or accomplish with the old approach of manual intervention.
It's no surprise that BIS customers are the ultimate beneficiary of these new solutions.
We get to see the needle move every single day in terms of data quality. And we capture that movement each day and create transparent and meaningful metrics for all of our stakeholders, internal and external.
Credit is bigger than a number or score for Experian customers. And for Experian, customers come first. By making the data maintenance process faster and smarter, they're saving time and delivering a better experience. That's how data keeps the world of business moving.